two inches inferior to the ACES.
Iliac crest.
Oh yes, it's the iliac crest, that's right, it's 2 inches.
2 inches posterior to the ACES.
Yep.
And
Oh,
1.5
Below
inches
crest.
inferior crest.
Okay, did you guys hear that? So you're finding the crest, you're going 1.5 inches below that. You're finding the ACES, you're going 2 inches posterior.
L5-S1.
Sorry.
Okay.
2
I think
inches
it's
posterior.
page 420.
Page 420? So yep, so we're gonna find the ACES, which is here. Ooh,
Sorry.
it's okay. We're gonna go 2 inches posterior, and then you're gonna find the crest, which you were in about 1.5 inches. Yeah, that's good.
Because I just remember the way that they taught me is like this,
Mhm.
and then it kind of just matches up to like
Yeah.
where you're.
Yep, there's lots of little tricks, but that's good.
Yeah.
Now there's one thing that we didn't do here, and what's our collimation,
Yeah,
and do we have an angle? So notice his back, right? So the L5-S1, notice how it curves?
Yeah.
So we need to match that. So there's gonna be a small
5?
caudal angle on
Maybe
it.
like a 6.
6.
What is it?
5 or 6.
It's
5 degrees
5 to
for
8
male
degrees.
and 8 degrees for female.
Okay, so we're gonna do, whatever, 5 for male and 8 for female. Sounds about right. And do we have a certain collimation that they want you to use for
6
this?
by 8.
6 by 8 collimation.
This is a high scatter projection.
Why is it high scatter? Because you're literally going through one of the thickest parts of the body. So it's gonna be more scatter. So you wanna collimate really tight so that you can reduce scatter.
Can you use your lead?
Yeah, definitely. I would still use the lead mat for sure. A lot of times they used to use a cone for this projection, like in the olden days. A cone is a type of filter, a type of extension that they would put over the collimator head, and it was nice and long, and it was lined with like a tungsten or a aluminum metal that would help take all the low energy x-rays in and make the image look really nice and crisp. But since we have the collimator head, the variable aperture collimator, it now is used.
I need to
So,
move Bucky.
let's move it.
Don't pull a Ken.
So I'm just gonna open this to double check. Yeah, make
Oh.
sure. And then we need obviously a 10 by 12 or an 8 by even if you want to use one of those small ones we have. So again, we're going 2 inches posterior to the ACES. So you find the most prominent part of the ACES, 2 inches posterior. Crest, about 1.5 inches inferior. Okay, 1.5 inches inferior, 2 inches posterior. And if you do a little trick that you learned in clinic, I like to do my C. I find I put the top of my hand at the crest, I make a little C, and then I go halfway in between that. You did the L is what I think they call it, and you go right in the middle of the L. Yeah, lots of little tricks you can do. And then 6 by 8 collimation, that looks nice. You're matching the tube angle to match the angle of the curve right here. Doesn't that make sense?
Mhm.
Here's the curve, matches nice and straight with that. True lateral. Yeah, good job.